In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a promo code on Agoda. Whether you're planning your dream vacation or a quick getaway, using promo codes can help you save a significant amount of money. So let's walk through these simple steps together, ensuring you get the best deal possible on your next booking. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the official Agoda website. This is your go-to platform for booking accommodations at unbeatable prices, with millions of options to choose from around the world. Once you are on the homepage, look for the sign-in option prominently displayed at the top right corner of the page. To make this process even more seamless, I recommend signing in using your Google account. It's a quick and simple method that minimizes the hassle of having to create a new account or remember yet another password. Now that you're signed in, you'll be taken back to the Agoda homepage, where you can initiate your search. At this point, you should see a search bar where you can type in your destination, travel dates, and the number of travelers. After entering these details, click on the search button. This will present you with an array of options, from budget-friendly choices to luxurious accommodations. Take your time browsing through these options to find the one that perfectly matches your travel needs and budget. Once you've made your selection, click on the hotel's name to view more details about the accommodation. This part is crucial as you'll want to ensure it offers all the amenities and features you're looking for. Once you're satisfied with your choice, go ahead and click the Book Now button. Here's where the magic happens. On the booking page, you'll see a field labeled promo code or something similar, depending on the current Agoda user interface. This is the spot where you'll input your promo code. Carefully enter the code you have, making sure there are no typos or extra spaces, as this might prevent the code from being applied properly. After inputting the code, watch as your total cost adjusts to reflect the discount. Voila! You've just saved money on your booking. Remember, promo codes on Agoda can have specific terms and conditions, so it's a good idea to read these to ensure your code is valid for the booking you're making. And that's all there is to it. Just follow these steps every time you book with Agoda to maximize your savings. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.